Well, hello, welcome. This is a special video. So I want to thank you for joining me. So for the last several months, I have been diligently working on my own website that is outside of Patreon, it's outside of YouTube, and is going to offer people the ability, if they want it, to come in and schedule sessions with me, buy session time with me. And that would give us face-to-face time. It could be through FaceTime, or it could be through Zoom, or just a phone call. And make myself available to solve whatever problem they have. I found a lot of people have a lot of different kinds of problems, and I can really help them. And so anyway, I've been working on that, and I want to show you that website. And then I want to tell you why I'm releasing this video to you. So let me show you the website. Come here, let me show you the website. Okay, now here's the website. So this is the landing page that you come to, and right up front here you see these are right now, these are the sessions that I'm offering. You can do a 15-minute introductory call with me, and that right now is $50, but I'll have a special discount code in the beginning where people can use that discount code and they can get this for free. So the purpose of the 15-minute introductory call is for me to really get to know your needs and ask you a bunch of questions about, where are you at in your process? How much research have you done? What are you considering? What are your needs? All types of questions that will help me understand what type of value that I can add to you. So that's the 15-minute introductory call. And then coming out of that, a person can decide that, oh, I think that there's some value here in scheduling some time with Neil. So I offer a 60-minute one-on-one call. So this could be for someone who's currently in the market to buy an RV. Maybe they're earlier in that phase and they don't quite know if even a Class B, for instance, is right for them. Or maybe they're later in that phase and they've actually already narrowed it down to a few RVs or one RV, and they want to get my opinion about that. Or they're in the negotiation phase. Or it could also be, I've done this where people are already in their RV, but they have questions about how to use it, how a certain system works, or they need my help in them troubleshooting and things like that. So that's the 60-minute one-on-one with Neil. And then this is the one that I found a lot of people used previously when I was on Patreon. This was about 6 sessions, 6 one-hour sessions with me. And what they use those for is, that's about enough if you're in the start of the process and you're trying to understand what it is that you're looking for all the way through the purchase process, and then through the end, once you purchase it, making sure that everything works for you, you understand your RV, you feel comfortable in your RV. That's about 6 sessions. And if you buy 6 sessions, then you get a pretty good discount for that here. And I also offer a payment plan for that. So right now, we're going to start the website off, and that's what we're going to offer. And you can see if you go down through here, these are some testimonials. These are actually people that have used the service before and really found it was very valuable. So you can read about those. And then you can sign up for my newsletter, which I do hope people do, because this is going to be the way that you and I connect outside of YouTube to make sure that we are in contact with me. I can let you know what's going on with me. I can let you know if there's new courses available as well. So these are just coaching sessions, but I am also working on courses. These are going to be whole course sets around certain topics. So one topic might be, how do you use your electrical system? Another might be, how do you use your plumbing and dump station? Another might be, how do you find the perfect boondocking spot? So I'm going to be working on courses, and courses will be available here as well. So when you sign up to the newsletter, I'll definitely be informing you when a new course has been added or when a course has been updated. So that's the website. And it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You can go to it. If you click one of these, it'll give you, a little bit more in depth here about what this course is about, what this particular one-on-one coaching session is about, why in the past people have asked me for it, what I've offered, how I've helped them, and things like that. So that's it. I'm really excited about this because I think a lot of people are going to find this very helpful. I'm just looking for a handful of people, a few people who are willing to come in and sign up either for one 60-minute one-on-one session with me or a package of 6 60-minute sessions with me to get that discount, and just help me restart the program and work with me as I get the program up and running and off the ground. So if you're interested in that, then I have a new website that I'm putting up, and I'd like you to email me. And I have a new email address. So email me at Neil, N-E-I-L, at ultramobility.co. Ultramobility.co, not C-O-M, C-O. And then let me know that you're interested in being one of the first people to use this service. And I will send you the website link of how you can get there. And then you can go just like you saw here. You can go and you can select one of the sessions with me, and it should all be automated. It's really cool because once you select one of those sessions, it'll bring up my calendar right inside of on your mobile phone or on your tablet or computer. It'll bring up my availability calendar, just like, you know, on Airbnb, and it'll show you like what days and times I have available, and you can just slot yourself right in, leave your phone number, and then we're set up one-to-one, and I'll give you a call, and we'll get on our way. So if you're interested, I'm only looking for a handful, then email me at that address, neil@ultramobility.co, and I'll tell you where to go to access this new website. For some of you who are interested, because I'm only accepting just a very few people, it may turn out when you go there that all the sessions are filled up, so you'll see it's closed, and that's just because I don't know how much time I can give to this. I'm trying to, get it off the ground, but I've got other things. I got to make my videos, for you guys as well. So that's why if it's closed, that's why it's because I just have enough people right now, and I'm trying to see how that goes. And then eventually, after I get kind of my sea legs, then I'll open it up to more people. So I just want to make you aware of that. So thank you so much for your time. Thanks for listening. And if you have any questions at all, you can reach out to me at the email address that I gave you, and I'll be happy to answer them. All right. Okay. Well, I will see you in the next regularly scheduled video, which should be happening real soon. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.